Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what makes Fidelity Investment different from other brokers. Fidelity is a financial services giant, and it stands out from other brokerage firms in several key ways. First, let's talk about their fees. Fidelity offers zero commissions on online U.S. stock, ETF, and options trades, making it a very cost-effective option for investors. They also have a unique lineup of Fidelity Zero mutual funds that have no expense ratios and no minimum investment requirements, which is a great feature for long-term investors. Beyond low costs, Fidelity is known for its extensive range of investment products. They offer everything from stocks and options to fixed income, precious metals, and even a limited selection of cryptocurrencies. This wide variety gives investors plenty of options to diversify their portfolios. They also excel in retirement planning, with a full suite of IRA options and resources for businesses and their employees. Another major difference is their commitment to transparent and high-quality order execution. Fidelity does not accept payment for order flow, which is a practice where brokers are paid to route customer trades to specific market makers. By avoiding this, Fidelity prioritizes getting the best possible price for its customers' trades. Fidelity also offers fractional share trading, which they call stocks by the slice. This allows investors to buy a small piece of a stock for as little as $1, giving them access to high-priced companies without needing to buy a full share. Finally, their customer service is available 24/7, and they provide a wealth of educational resources and robust research tools to help investors make informed decisions. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.